Life is busy. We race from one commitment to another. Work, family, and social obligations fill our days. Finding time to relax can feel impossible. Stress builds up, leaving us feeling overwhelmed. It's easy to get lost in the chaos. We long for peace. Quiet moments feel rare. Our minds race with endless to-do lists. This constant stress impacts our well-being. We may experience fatigue, anxiety, or difficulty sleeping. It's time to reclaim our peace. We deserve moments of calm amidst the chaos. Meditation offers a pathway to inner peace. It is a tool for finding stillness within ourselves. Meditation is often misunderstood. People think it requires hours of silent retreat. The truth is, meditation can be simple. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Meditation brings calm to our busy minds. It helps us manage stress and find clarity. Regular practice offers numerous benefits. We experience reduced anxiety and improved focus. Meditation can also boost productivity. When we quiet our minds, we think more clearly. We can approach tasks with more focus and energy. Meditation helps us to be more present and engaged in our work. Meditation is easier than you might think. There are many simple techniques to try. Find one that resonates with you and your lifestyle. One simple technique is mindful breathing. Find a quiet place and sit comfortably. Close your eyes and notice your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. As you focus on your breath, thoughts may arise. Simply acknowledge them and return your attention to your breath. Another technique is walking meditation. Find a peaceful space where you can walk slowly. Pay attention to the sensations of each step. Notice the feeling of your feet on the ground. Engage all your senses as you move. Integrating meditation into a busy life is achievable. Start with just a few minutes each day. You can gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Choose a consistent time for your practice. This could be first thing in the morning or during your lunch break. Find a quiet space where you can relax without distractions. Remember, meditation is a practice. There will be days when your mind wanders. Be kind to yourself and gently guide your attention back to your breath or chosen anchor. With consistent practice, you will discover the transformative power of meditation.